How to appear offline on Xbox Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to appear offline on Xbox Mobile, easy and fast. First thing, go to Xbox and now all you need to do is just click this one here on your profile, click on it, and then as you see all you need to do is just click here, appear offline. And as you see now your account has been turned to offline, and if you want to turn on to online again, just click here, and that's how appear offline and online on Xbox Mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.